How to use your CRM for advertising and digital marketing campaigns. In today's digital age, leveraging customer relationship management (CRM) systems for advertising and digital marketing campaigns is crucial for businesses looking to stay ahead of the competition. By integrating CRM into marketing strategies, companies can personalize their messaging, optimize their advertising efforts, and maximize their return on investment. Using CRM for marketing campaigns. One of the key benefits of using a CRM system for marketing campaigns is the ability to segment and target specific customer groups. By analyzing customer data stored in the CRM, businesses can create personalized marketing messages that resonate with their target audience. CRM integration in marketing. CRM integration with marketing automation platforms allows businesses to streamline their marketing efforts and track the effectiveness of their campaigns. By syncing CRM data with marketing automation tools, businesses can automate lead generation, nurture leads through the sales funnel, and track customer interactions across multiple channels. CRM digital advertising strategy. CRM can help businesses create targeted ads, measure campaign performance, and optimize advertising spend. By using CRM data to create custom audiences, businesses can target their ads to specific customer segments based on demographics, interests, and behavior. Advertising campaigns with CRM. CRM software provides businesses with valuable insights into customer behavior, preferences, and purchasing history, which can be used to inform advertising campaigns. By analyzing CRM data, businesses can identify trends, predict customer behavior, and tailor their advertising campaigns to meet customer needs. CRM advertising best practices. Some best practices include regularly updating and maintaining CRM data to ensure accuracy and relevance. Analyzing campaign performance metrics to optimize advertising spend. Personalizing messaging and ad creative to resonate with target audiences. Conclusion. In conclusion, using CRM for advertising and digital marketing campaigns can provide businesses with a competitive edge in today's digital landscape. By leveraging CRM data, integrating CRM with marketing automation tools, and following best practices, businesses can create personalized, targeted advertising campaigns that drive results.